YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be talking about my Make 9. So for a while I was debating if I even wanted to discuss my Make 9 because I know when it comes to sewing I'm very random with deciding which pattern I want to start on, but then as I looked at my pattern stash I realized that I did have quite a few patterns that I was dead set on making this year, so I decided to go ahead and join in on the Make 9. So I'll get started now. Okay, so the first thing, it's not going to be the first thing I make of the year, but like the first thing that I want to talk about in my Make 9 would be these very easy Vogue patterns. I have these two right here, the wrap dresses, and I know for sure that I want to make the shorter version. I just don't know which one, so I'm debating. I really love the sleeves on this one. I'm leaning more towards this one, but I also like this one, so I'll be debating on which one, but I do want to make a wrap dress and I want to use one of these patterns, and I also have some fabric to show you as well. For the wrap dress, I hope to use one of these floral cotton blends. So this is one of them. It's just beautiful fabric. I was really drawn to this fabric. I got it at Hobby Lobby. It's so pretty. And then another one I have is this one, and I got this one at Joann's. It's also very pretty. So yeah, I definitely want to make a floral wrap dress. So that's one of my Make 9s. The next one I would like to make is from a Simplicity pattern, and it's just these pants. Yeah, and I actually have some fabric similar to this, and I think I would probably replicate this look. I really love this pattern. I really love the way this pattern looks. Actually, I haven't made it, so I can't tell you how much I love it, but I know I love it. Yeah, I love Simplicity patterns, so this is really cute, and I hope to make this one this year as well. Let's see. One that I've already made and I had been looking at for a while was a Lee London pattern. Here it is right here, and it's the Q dress, and I made view A. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but I did do view A, and I'll be talking about it in a January makes video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so that's one of my Make 9s that I already completed, so I'm happy about that. Next is a Tilly and the Buttons pattern, and it's the Agnes sweater, and I really want to make this sweater right here, that view. I think it's a very simple basic that I could definitely add to my wardrobe, so I look forward to making that. And the second one, well, in the next, not the second one, the second Tilly and the Buttons pattern I have for my Make 9 is the Cleo dress. And I've seen everyone make the Cleo dress, and I've been debating on when I was going to make it, but I knew I had to make it. I want to make the longer version, and I actually want to do a hack that I saw on the Crafty Pinups channel. She has it on her blog as well, but she did like a button-up hack of the Cleo dress. So maybe after I make the first one I'll do the button-up hack, or I may even attempt on the first try. I'm not sure, but yes, I do want to make a Cleo dress because I just think it's so cute. It's so everyday wearable. I need to have it in my wardrobe. So yeah, I want to add that to my Make 9. And another one is a Vogue pattern. So this is definitely more of a summery design, and I really love how it looks. Let's see, it's Vogue pattern 9242, and I'm debating between these two right here. They're both really cute patterns. So yeah, I'll be thinking over it, and I'll eventually decide on which one I want to make, but I think it'll be great for the summer. But then again, this one is also cute, so we'll see what I make. Okay, another pattern is a Colette pattern, and they're just the shorts. I bought this when they were having the 20% off sale, and they're the Weston high-waisted shorts, and I just think that these would be a great basic to add to my wardrobe. And I don't have the fabric for it yet, but whenever I decide to make it, I know I'll just purchase like a stretch denim to create it with. But yeah, I think these would be great to have in my wardrobe because I do need to make more basics to wear. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Another one I have is a Butterick pattern. It's 5895, and this is, I think this is part of the vintage collection. I'm not sure, but I this is out of print, so in order to get it you have to go through eBay or Amazon. But I do have the fabric that I would like to use for this, and it is this lemon fabric that I got at Joann's, and I just adore it, and I wanted more, but they didn't have any more, so I took what they had. But I love it so much. So yeah, hopefully I get to make this one. Yeah, and I actually was introduced to this pattern through Hobbling Handmaids. I was watching one of her videos, and she had one of the shirts. She had her version in there, and I just thought it was so cute I had to make one. So yes. Last but not least are the Deer and Doe Safran pants. I want to challenge myself this year by making these pants. If you look on their website, the lady has like a polka dot version and like polka dot denim, I think, but it's very elegant, cute. They're high-waisted. I just adore the way they look, so I want to make these as well. And I have this fabric right here. It's a denim with hearts all over it, and I got this at Joann's, so I hope to challenge myself this year by making them. I just recently ordered the Sew Over It trousers, ultimate trousers, so I'll probably make those first because those seem to be a little more easier than these pants. So if I'm successful with that, I will go ahead and do this one. So wish me luck on that. So yeah, those are my make 9s. I hope that I actually complete all of that because I know how I am with sewing. One minute I'm working on this pattern and I'm changing my mind, I'm working on another one. So hopefully I stick to my plans. If not, I am so sorry. But yeah, while I'm here, I want to go ahead and talk about some resolutions because I see a lot of YouTubers in the sewist community talking about their resolutions for the new year. So I don't have many. One of the resolutions I know that I want to make this year is just to continue working on patterns, sewing with patterns, because I really think that my sewing has improved by using patterns. I feel like I'm getting so much better with technical things and the construction and everything like that. I just think that patterns really help me to understand the basics of sewing. So I'm loving that. And I also, maybe like a long-term goal would be to improve my pattern drafting skills, but for now I just want to work on sewing with patterns, and maybe in the future I can go back to pattern drafting and getting better at that. But yeah, my goals right now for sewing would be working more with commercial patterns, challenging myself more, working more with things that I've never done. Like in one of my earlier videos, my December makes video, sorry, I talked about a shirt that I made a mistake on with the button. So I want to work on that again and just kind of challenge myself and get better. So yeah, anyways, those are my make 9s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.